Here's a 1957 DeSoto Firesweep Explorer 7-passenger station wagon. Notice I used the term Explorer because, in fact, DeSoto used that term before Ford did. And so, under the hood here we have a Hemi. In this case, it's the Fireflight engine from 1958. This Firesweep was the base model for DeSoto, and then came the Fire Dome, and then the Fireflight. And the top model eventually was the Adventurer. So this would be a very capable station wagon. Notice that kind of aqua blue color, very nice. I hope that if they repaint it, they do that same color. Notice the dual carburation here, dual 4 barrels. This vehicle should get up and go. And you notice how the junction there for the wiring, interesting how they connected it all on that block. Chrome is in very good condition. The owner tells me it was a Texas car. I think he got it in El Paso. And look at that interior. It's perfect. Beautifully redone. This will be a stunning car once it's painted. And even if it's not, it's still going to be stunning. You've got the push-button torque flight there. The very nice dashboard. And you notice the rear-facing third seat. And there you saw the pad on the bumper there on both sides to aid in getting into the back of the vehicle. You certainly don't see yourself coming down the other side of the road in this car. This is pretty rare.